Welcome back to Carzilla, the channel where precision meets passion and where we bring you the latest, boldest, and most exciting cars from around the world. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most popular crossovers on the planet. This is the 2026 Honda CR-V, and it's better than ever. Honda has always had a way of making practical feel premium, and the 2026 CR-V is no exception. It doesn't scream for attention, but it doesn't have to. One look at it and you know this car is built to be driven every day, but still give you a sense of style and confidence every time you grab the wheel. Let's start with the design. The 2026 CR-V gets a slightly more aggressive redesign over the previous model, with cleaner body lines, a more sculpted hood, and a front fascia that's both sporty and elegant. The grille is wide, with gloss black accents and a refined chrome bar that integrates nicely with the new LED headlights. These headlights now feature a thinner, sharper matrix LED setup, which not only looks high-tech, but also performs extremely well in all conditions. The side profile is smooth and aerodynamic. Honda has clearly paid attention to airflow, with subtle character lines that run from the fenders all the way to the rear taillights. Depending on the trim, you get up to 90-inch alloy wheels with a striking multi-spoke design, and the ride height is just right. Not too low for city curbs, not too high to feel bulky. Around back, the taillights are now slimmer and more modern, wrapping gently around the rear corners, while the overall look of the rear end feels clean and contemporary. It's simple, but it works. Under the hood, Honda continues to offer two main powertrains for the CR-V. The first is a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers around 190 horsepower and 179 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with a CVT transmission that's been tuned to feel smoother and more responsive than before. For those who want better fuel economy and a little more torque, there's also the hybrid version, a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine mated to two electric motors. This setup produces a combined 204 horsepower and offers impressive efficiency numbers, especially in the city. Both powertrains can be had with either front-wheel drive or Honda's real-time all-wheel drive system. When it comes to driving dynamics, the 2026 CR-V strikes a great balance. It's not overly sporty, but it's composed. The steering feels precise. The suspension is tuned for comfort, but doesn't wallow in corners. And the cabin stays impressively quiet even at highway speeds. It's the kind of car you'll enjoy taking on long road trips, but also appreciate in day-to-day urban traffic. Inside the cabin, Honda has taken a big step forward. The materials have been upgraded, especially in the higher trims. Soft touch surfaces are found throughout the dash and doors, and there's a new floating touchscreen infotainment system that sits nicely within your line of sight. On most trims, you get a 9-inch screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and an available 12-speaker Bose audio system for those who enjoy quality sound. The digital gauge cluster is crisp and customizable, giving you everything from navigation prompts to hybrid system info at a glance. The center console is simple but functional, with physical knobs for climate control and smartly placed storage compartments. Honda has also improved the seating. The front seats are supportive with better lumbar control, and in higher trims, they come with heating, ventilation, and even memory settings. In the back, rear passengers get more legroom than ever before, and the rear doors open almost 90 degrees, making it easier to load kids or cargo. Speaking of cargo, the CR-V continues to shine here. With the rear seats up, you get around 39 cubic feet of space. Fold them down, and that number jumps to over 75 cubic feet, making it one of the most practical crossovers in its class. Safety has also been a key focus for Honda. Every 2026 CR-V comes standard with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced safety features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, and blind spot monitoring. The system has been refined for smoother transitions and better detection accuracy, Parking sensors, a surround view camera, and rear cross-traffic alert are also available on higher trims. Now let's talk pricing. The base model 2026 Honda CR-V, which comes fairly well equipped, starts at around $31,000 US dollars. The EX and EXL trims bring additional comfort and tech features, pushing the price closer to $35,000 to $37,000. If you go all in with the Touring Hybrid AWD version, with leather, premium audio, navigation, and all the bells and whistles, you're looking at a price tag around $41,000 to $42,000. That puts the CR-V right in line with its main competitors like the Toyota RAV4, Mazda CX-5, and Hyundai Tucson. But what sets the CR-V apart isn't just the numbers, it's how well everything is executed. This is a car that understands its purpose and delivers it consistently. It's efficient, reliable, spacious, and now more stylish and technologically advanced than ever. Whether you're a family driver, a solo commuter, or someone just looking for a dependable daily vehicle, the 2026 Honda CR-V makes a strong case for itself. There are no gimmicks here, no flashy tricks. Just solid engineering, thoughtful design, and that classic Honda attention to detail. And that's exactly what makes it so appealing. Let us know in the comments. Is the new CR-V the best value SUV in 2026? Would you pick the hybrid or stick with the turbo? And how does it stack up against the RAV4 or the new Ford Escape? Thanks for watching this in-depth review of the 2026 Honda CR-V. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Carzilla, and hit that bell so you never miss a review that actually helps you decide. Until next time, keep driving smart, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.